Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up the newbie share on your REALME GT 2 Pro device. So first you need to open the control panel, then enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location services, then find here newbie share. Then find here newbie share, tap and hold on it. Cool. So enable newbie share, then you can rename your device, make your device visible for contacts only or for everyone. I want to use everyone mode. Then just change your data usage mode. Data mode includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth mode, and this is the fastest way to transfer data on your device, so I recommend to use data mode. And cool, now we can transfer, now we can receive or send data from our device to other devices, or from us devices to our device. For example, I want to share this image from my Samsung Galaxy A33. How can I do it? Just by clicking on share button and newbie share. I can see GT2 Pro device, it's my device, you can see it's my device name. So just click on it. And click accept on your device. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.